Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Chef Tweezers is probably one of the most underrated tools in any kitchen, but trust me, once you start using a good pair, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. From delicately placing microgreens on a plate to precisely removing fish bones, these tweezers elevate your culinary game. Today, we're diving deep into a professional-grade set, exploring their features, and seeing if they live up to the hype. Number 5. Tweezer Guru Slant-Pointed Eyebrow Tweezer, Black. These expertly crafted tweezers offer precise plucking. The aligned design and wide grip ensure optimal control and accuracy for all grooming tasks. Made from premium-grade stainless steel with a matte black finish, it offers a secure grip that never slips. This makes it ideal for all plucking needs. Designed for effective ingrown hair removal, the ultra-thin pointed tips excel at extracting hair beneath the skin. It's also perfect for removing blackheads and splinters. Simplify your grooming routine with this tool. It's perfect for ingrown hair removal, eyebrow plucking, and other facial hairs, ensuring polished results every time. Accompanied by a protective sleeve, it's travel-ready. This makes it an indispensable addition to anyone's beauty tools and routine. Manufactured by Tweezer Guru, this tweezer set exemplifies professional craftsmanship. It's perfect for both grooming and crafting needs, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. These tweezers are designed for precision plucking. They are made from durable stainless steel and feature versatile sharp tips. If you are looking for a reliable tool for removing ingrown hairs or shaping your eyebrows, you should consider these. What people say. They are the perfect length and the grip is great. The tips are perfectly aligned and grab even the smallest items with ease. These tweezers are well made and feel very sturdy. Number 4. SouxMux 12-inch Cooking Tweezers Tongs. These tweezers are designed for precision. They are perfect for plating and detailed cooking tasks. The length keeps your hands away from heat. The set includes 2 different tip styles. One has skinny tips, and the other has wider tips. This allows you to handle various foods with ease. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these tweezers are built to last. They are rust and corrosion resistant. The carbonation protection coating ensures long-term use. The handles feature grooves for a non-slip grip. The serrated tips hold items firmly. This design reduces the burden during long-term use. These tweezers are perfect for delicate tasks. Use them for decorating dishes, flipping food, and protecting vegetables. They are also great for removing small items. This set makes a great gift for anyone who loves to cook. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. It is a versatile tool for any kitchen. These tweezers are not just for cooking. They can be used for feeding small animals or maintaining plants. They are a versatile tool for various tasks. What we like. This set offers 2 different types of tweezers for various kitchen tasks. They are made from strong, food-grade stainless steel. If you are a chef who needs precision tools for plating and serving, you should choose these. What people say. They are perfectly aligned and grab even the smallest items with ease. The tips are very precise and allow for delicate work. The balance and feel in the hand is perfect. Number 3. DALSTRONG 12 Chef Tweezers, Precision Kitchen Tongs. Introducing these professional kitchen tongs, crafted for precision. They are designed to handle delicate foods and garnishes with ease, giving you unmatched control in the kitchen. Featuring over 100 extra-large grooves and micro-teeth, these tongs provide a secure grip. This design allows you to handle delicate and slippery items effortlessly. Made with high-carbon stainless steel and a black titanium coating, these tongs are built to last. The coating enhances tool life and increases resistance to high temperatures and abrasion. These tweezers are uniquely DALSTRONG. The DALSTRONG emblem is engraved at the fusion point, making them a standout tool in any kitchen. With a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, you can trust these food tweezers. Plus, they come with a lifetime warranty against defects, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. These tweezers provide a precision and secure grip with extra-large grooves and micro-teeth. They are made with high-carbon stainless steel and a stylish black titanium coating. If you like a tool that is both aesthetically pleasing and durable, you should consider these. What people say. They do a great job without piercing the exterior. The steel is thick and rigid so you don't have flexing in the middle which can limit your grabbing pressure. They are really good for precision and easy to clean too. Number 2. Stainless Steel Kitchen Tweezers Tongs Set. Introducing the new 12-inch extra long, precision tweezers. This set is designed to withstand heat and liquid. It allows you to cook and plate with confidence. This set includes 5 different designs of tweezers for your daily needs. They are suitable for food styling and plating delicate foods. The long ones are perfect for grilling. Featuring a refined grip, these tweezers ensure maximum grip and sturdy hold. They have micro-teeth tips to hold even the most delicate foods. This professional set is essential for any kitchen. It helps a lot in cooking, baking, and grilling. It's also suitable for gardening and aquarium use. Good kitchenware often gets twice the result with half the effort. This stainless steel tweezer works great with other kitchen items. It's now a popular item for restaurant cookware. What we like. This set includes 5 different designs of tweezers for your daily needs. They are suitable for food styling and plating small and delicate foods. If you are looking for a versatile set of tweezers for various kitchen tasks, you should consider these. What people say. They are perfectly aligned and grab the smallest items with ease. The tips are very precise and allow for delicate work. These tweezers are a must-have for anyone who wants to plate food like a pro. Number 1. GERMANIKURE Slanted Tweezers in Leather Case. These precision tweezers are designed for accuracy. They are ideal for removing splinters, ingrown hairs, or stubborn facial hair. Perfect for your facial grooming needs. The wide grip offers maximum control. This allows for precise grooming or use in crafting. You'll find it easy to handle and control. These professional tweezers are handcrafted in Solingen, Germany. The premium stainless steel ensures precise tip alignment and long-lasting durability. You can rely on their quality. They are ideal for eyebrows, removing fine or ingrown hairs, and everyday grooming. They work great for women's facial hair and crafting tasks. It's a versatile tool. These strong tweezers are made with hardened steel for lasting durability. The precision-aligned fine tip grips hairs or splinters without slipping. They are built to last. These tweezers are made in eco-conscious, socially responsible facilities. You can feel good about using them for your facial hair needs. It's a responsible choice. What we like. These tweezers feature an ultra-fine slanted tip for precision. They are handcrafted in Solingen, Germany. If you have a need for a high-quality, ethically made tool for grooming, you should consider these. What people say. The tweezers are very well made and the tips are perfectly aligned. They are great for working with small items and garnishes. The grip is comfortable and the tweezers feel balanced in my hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.